G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here now with generative AI, Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, all the rage at the moment. It is still really important to understand the fundamentals and the functionalities of SharePoint and OneDrive just to make your lives a little bit easier in your everyday work and operations. And this video just aims to give you a little bit of a refresher of a little bit of functionality that I think can potentially save you a lot of time. Something that I just used recently, so I thought I'd just reshare this little piece for you, and that is when you need to request files or gather files from people, rather than getting them to email those as attachments to you, you can request them out of your OneDrive for Business. So you can see here that I'm in my OneDrive here. I've got this purple folder with the new color coding of folders. It's called Podcast Profiles. Now what we can do is use this request files functionality to actually request files from individual people. So I'll click on request files. We can enter a description here. So you can see here that we need to let the recipients know which files you're requesting. So I am going to say user profiles as the description. I'll click next, and then what we can do is we can either send this via email and it's going to get an auto-generated email, or we can copy this link and anyone with this link can upload files. So that's a really important point. If you've got this turned off or disabled in your tenant, then this functionality for request files won't work. So we need to have this setting because of this here. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to click done. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Outlook. All right, so I'll jump into Outlook and then I'll start a new email message, and then I'll send a link to a person that I want to upload some files. So I'm just going to write, can you please upload your files here? And I'll paste in that link, and we can see there it shortens the link. Nice little link there where the user, when I send them an email, could just click that link, open it up, and we'll be good to go. Profile details, and we'll hit send. Okay, so now that's been sent. What we'll do now is have a look on the other side of that, so you can see how easy that was, right? It is just sending an email, but the functionality is a lot better for you. You can see here that this person has just received this email called profile details, and here's the link. So what we can do, click the link, and then we're going to be able to upload our files directly in here. So I can say, select my files. That's going to then open up my file explorer. I'll just drag this across here. I can then upload my documents. All right, so I'll upload one, I'll upload two files here. We'll go open. You can see here I get a listing of the files. I can add more files if I want to, and then I can put my name. So I'll go Daniel, and I'll go last name of Anderson. And how easy is this? We just go upload, and then it's uploading directly into that folder. And if I drag this back across, I'll jump into my files, and I'll jump back into podcast profiles, and you can see here that it is prefixed the file name with that particular person's name that they entered into the first name, last name. So we can use this folder for multiple different people, and then we can see who has actually uploaded those files as well, because we can see modified by is a guest contributor. So we do have a way here to be able to identify who these files have been uploaded from. Now the person that was uploading these, so me in this case, will only ever see the files that person has uploaded, so they won't see anything else that other people have potentially uploaded as well. So just a little bit of functionality there to make your lives easier to request files, keeping them out of your inbox as attachments, keeping them in OneDrive in this case, in a central folder, so for your easier management of files in that particular use case. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.